welcome back to Daya Daily. Today I'm Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Last year I did a video of Belle, and this year I'm doing a glam Belle. And the reason why is, drum roll please, I'm going to be doing a Beauty and the Beast music video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because that'll be coming out very soon. This is the makeup I did in that video too. And the question of the day is, drumroll again, who is your favorite character from Beauty and the Beast? And do you like the real Beauty and the Beast, or do you like the cartoon Beauty and the Beast? Let me know in the comments down below. I like the real version, but they're both good. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's keep on watching. So I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. And I'm using this gold right here. Just use a flat brush. I'm gonna spray it with some Max Fix Plus. That'll just make the color really vibrant. Do you guys do makeup? Leave it in the comments down below if you do. I don't wear makeup every day because I'm still little. So I do makeup sometimes for videos, but I love it. If you guys have any questions about me, leave them in the comments down below. I'll answer them in upcoming videos. I like makeup because it's art. And the other kind of art that I like is coloring. I drew these pictures because my papa has a ranch. A ranch is a place that has animals. It's like a farm. And I like to draw animals. And this is for my papa. I drew this one, it's a baby chick. I drew the real donkey that my papa has, and the donkey's name is Tommy Jack. And I did this art at school. Made a lion. I like seeing people's art, so if you guys do art, you should show me some of your art that you do. You can email it to me or send it in the mail. My P.O. box is listed in the description box. Let's get back to the face. I'm using this fluffy brush. I'm using this color. I put it in the crease. I'm using this color of brown. I'm putting it kind of on the gold, or keeping it on the outer corner. We filmed a cupcake video on Kaysen's channel. It was like the best day ever. I got to eat my favorite food, got to do that video that I wanted, and I got 2 pairs of nails. We made Shopkin and Paw Patrol cupcakes. I'll link that video right here if you want to see that video. I'm gonna try doing my own eyeliner. The trick with eyeliner is just going slow. There's the wings, and now I'm gonna do my mascara and then put on my lashes. I'm just gonna pop them on. The lashes are on. Now I'm gonna pop on my brows. Woo! Brows are done. Now we're gonna do the bronzer. Butter bronzer. It always smells so good. Obviously, it's one of my favorites. And now I'm going to use the same brush and add a little bit of blush. This one's for Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to do the highlighter. I like the color of this gold highlighter because it matches my dress. Now I'm using this brush, and I'm using this color, and I'm using it on the inner corner. That really opens up the eyes. Now I'm going to add a touch of mascara to the bottom lashes. I always make a funny face when I'm doing mascara. Now we're doing my lips. This is a glam. It's not a day video unless I drop about 10 things. We're doing a glam Belle, so we're having red lips. We're doing red lip liner from Ulta. Now I'm using this red lip from Sephora, and this is like my favorite lip color because I use it all the time. It's just the perfect red. Here's the final look. Belle is one of my favorite princess characters, so I hope you guys love this look. Subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and bye. Hello again.